Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, without controlling by any central bank. Bitcoin was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency began use in 2009 when its implementation was released as open-source software. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin's distributed network has over 10,000 nodes all over the world that keep track of all transactions happening on the system. And that's why Bitcoin is safest cryptocurrency to trade. And now here is some unknown facts about Bitcoin. Number 1. On August 5, 2013, when it was listed on Coinbase app, the value of one Bitcoin was $105 and now it's $47,000. Increased by 43,000%. Number 2. On April 14, 2021, Bitcoin value was on its all-time highest. On this time, value per Bitcoin was $64,900. The reason behind this was Elon Musk. He tweeted, "You can now buy Tesla with Bitcoin." After that tweet, people started to think that on future all transactions will be with Bitcoin. So they started to buy Bitcoin. Number 3. On May 13, 2021, Elon Musk suspended purchasing Tesla with Bitcoin. He said that the Tesla would no longer accept it as a mode of payment. After that, Bitcoin value started decreasing. And recently he says on an interview Tesla will likely accepting Bitcoin again, and after that Bitcoin value started increasing again. Number 4. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency in the world. Others thousands of cryptocurrency was inspired by Bitcoin like Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano and other. Number 5. Bitcoins are divisible in smaller units known as satoshis, and each satoshi is worth 0.00000001 Bitcoin. The satoshi was named after the founder of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. Number 6. Around 19 million Bitcoins are already mined. Now 17 million Bitcoin can be mined currently. Bitcoin's market capitalization is $857 billion. In Coinbase app, people on average hold it for 80 days after buying, and it's always on number 1 selling cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Number 7. Some countries like Iran, Turkey, Nepal, Nigeria has banned to mine cryptocurrency because of its volatility, decentralized nature, perceived threat to current monetary systems, and links to illicit activities like drug trafficking and money laundering. And Chinese peoples mines most of Bitcoin, around 60% of total. Number 8. On May 22, 2010, 2 Papa John's pizzas were exchanged by Laszlo Hanyecz for 10,000 BTC. This was the first official documented purchase of goods using Bitcoins. At that time, the worth of 10,000 BTC was $41. At the time of writing this article, the worth of 10,000 BTC is around 454 million. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you want to buy and sell Bitcoin, Coinbase is best place to trade. Check out the description, there is a link. Download app and start trading now. Okay, bye, take care.